Hi guys, Frugal Gal here with a Shop Goodwill purchase. It's kind of funny. Well, it's funny to me. I don't know if it'll be funny to you. I knew I had this coming. I knew it was coming today. But for some reason, I thought I had ordered 2 pounds of jewelry. So when I got it today and lifted it, I'm like, this isn't 2 pounds of jewelry. This is really heavy. Well, I went and looked at my order. I had actually ordered 11 pounds of jewelry. But it was for such a great price that maybe that's why I thought it was only 2 pounds, because it was such an affordable price. But anyway, I got this today. I just want to show you before I get the bag out of here how big the box is. You can see how big this box is if you put the ruler up to it. See that? 10 inches. Look how tall it is. I'm holding my tripod. It's just really big and really heavy. But anyway, I got this from, let's zoom in here. I'm not zooming in, but I'm just putting it there. Let's see where it comes from. That's my name. It came from Reading, Pennsylvania. So I don't think I've got anything from Reading, Pennsylvania. I'm not sure. But it's 11 pounds of jewelry. Just a grab bag of jewelry. So I'll bet we get a bunch of good stuff. So when I come back, I just opened this up. Just cut the tape, and this is the huge bag that's inside there. Does that look good? Ah! My backdrop's falling. Oops, sorry. Let me scream. So look at that. Isn't that good? Oh! So when I unpause it, I'll be back with this on the table, and let's get into this jewelry. Okay, I'm back. Here is the bag of jewelry. I unknotted it. Oh, it's so big. It's so pretty. Okay. When I remember seeing this when I purchased this. It didn't come with some of these don't come with invoices, and this one didn't. But I saw this on top, and I tried to zoom in to see what kind of jewelry it was. I couldn't tell what it says. This is dandelion. It's a nice box, whether it has anything in it or not. This has a couple pair of, ooh, they're glass. I think. Glass or plastic little earrings. I like the box. One of you will be getting this box with your purchase. Isn't that cool? $3. Okay, so we'll put that. I don't know where I'm going to put all this stuff because, well, I should have brought my table over here. Alright, so I'm going to start picking stuff out. I see a lot of different things on cards, and I want to get, ooh, that's pretty. But see, I'm going to get distracted by other things. I'm like, I don't know. Like a child. Ooh, that's pretty, that's pretty. Here we go. This is, I sometimes say these earrings for myself. Because these hyperallergenic earrings are the ones I can wear. Because anything else bothers me. And these are really pretty. I'm looking for some earrings. Ooh, look, little safety pins. And then the rest of them are in this bag. So then that'd be something. I'll wash those and take them with me on my trip. Because I need some earrings. I like smaller size earrings. Alright, so that's good. That's one good thing about buying and reselling jewelry. You can always just, like, take for your personal collection. Ooh, that's pretty. There's a necklace. It's on wire. Those are really bright, pretty colors. That green and turquoise color. Those feel like, maybe I guess they're just plastic. It's on the memory wire, not memory wire. What is this? It's called illusion wire. Is that what it's called? It's just wire. But that's nice that they put it in the bag so it didn't get tangled up. Appreciate that. I need to like pause this. Ooh. And get my table over here. But they put a lot of different things in little bags. What's this say? It says gold bullion. Really? It says gold bullion. They wanted $1.50 for it. Let's take this tag off. We can without ripping the bag. Let's see what it says underneath it. It does say anything I know about gold bullion. Okay. Gold bullion. Sorry, I'm having trouble pronouncing it. 1 ounce. Has been tied together to contain product. Cut open the thread. Okay, just tell me how to do it. Made in India. Hang on trees as icicles. Oh. Well, that's neat. That's a first. That was kind of interesting. Why do I have a towel in here? Okay, this is the first too. I've got jewelry stuck to a towel. I'm in heaven! It's brooches! It's not brooches, it's pins. Look, Patsy Crancy, are you in heaven? Look at that. It's a towel. that is nothing but those, tack back pins. Girlfriend. It says Pony Nationals Tournament of Champions 2000 on it, right there in the middle. So I don't know if all those are related, all these are related to that, but that's cool. This is really heavy. I say Patsy Craftsy Patricia because she always buys, I have set all these like tack back pins like this. She collects these. So I set all mine back for her and then I sell them to her. This is neat. Ooh, look. We gotta count them. Let's see if we can count them. I guess you hang it up like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. I think there's about 40 on there, guys. Oh, Patsy Craftsy. This bag was made for you. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to move you. So I'm not going to take each individual one off there. Oh, that was neat. That was exciting. Oh, looks like we got a card that the stuff fell off of it. It was from Kohl's, though. Yeah, they're probably in there. Just trying to pick out. Ooh, this is some more. What is this? This is, oh, little pieces. Oh, they're rhinestones. Duh. There are a bunch of rhinestone stretchy bracelets. Cool. They're black rhinestones. There's a ton of them in here. That's neat. Might use those for like free gifts. We got a lot of them. Okay, let's see. Is there any other bags in here? Yep, there's something. Oh, I've had these so many times. That's little wooden, I don't know, it might not be wood. Maybe it's seeds. No, it's wood. Stretchy bracelet. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Let's see, here's something on a card. Ooh, blingy. They are called Style Encore. They were on clearance. They're not missing anything. They are pierced. I believe they are $5 and some odd cents. Interesting. They're really lightweight. They look like they would be heavy, but they're really lightweight. I'm trying to dig out stuff on cards or in bags. Ooh, these are nice looking. Exhilaration. Don't know what that is. $8.99. Those are pretty. Little flowers. Those are plastic. I like those. Oh, they're nickel free. I don't know. I don't usually wear dangly earrings, but I like that. Remember, anything you see in my videos is for sale. And also, if you'd like me making up some mystery grab bags, I can do that too. Just send me an email and we'll talk about it. There's something in the bag. It looks like a necklace and it says it was trying to be sold by Marshall Trading. And they want $43 for it? Is that 43 point, or is that ounces? But it says DZ, not, I don't know. These are like sealed. These bags are, no, they're, oh, I take it back. They're, hold on a minute. I mean, don't hold on a minute, but just bear with me. I always tell you guys to hold on a minute like you can go, hold on. Like you're here with me. It was stapled. Let me get it out. Looks like a pretty necklace. It is. It's silver, and it's two different kinds of silver tone, like a matte silver and a shiny silver. And it's a long necklace, and it's got a lobster claw clasp, or lobster clasp, I guess you call it. That is pretty. That's it. You could throw that over your head. Let's see how long it is. Let's try to do this. Barbie does this so well when she's on her auctions. I'm not as coordinated as Barbie is. So that's 24. Oops. Plus. I'd say it's about 30, 24 plus 10, that'd be 35 inches long. Sorry, I'm not good at math in my head. I don't care if I was a teacher. Remember when all of our teachers told us that we had to learn math and we had to be able to do it without a calculator because we would never have calculators? Yeah, bully to them. They all got phones now with calculators on them. Ooh, look, a watch. Okay. Oh, it's a Hello Kitty watch. Well, that ought to sell decently. A lot of people collect Hello Kitty items. It's in really good shape. It's not... That does not look like... I don't think this has been worn at all. I can even change the battery in that. That's a cute little Hello Kitty watch. Put that to the side. Okay. I'm sorry you guys keep blurring out. My thing won't autofocus. Let's see, let's get this out because it just keeps popping up. Oh, let's put something piggybacking on it. This is a very heavy metal... Oh, bracelet. Ooh, I turned it around. It's got all the bling on the back.